Pierce County Planning and Public Works recently hosted a tour of our drone program for Executive Bruce Dammeier.
If we can get to the point where we can use drones to really document the condition of our levees, we're going to have much better data. We're going to make much better decisions. And if it can help strengthen relationships with other players, or prepare us for the nightmare, natural disaster, so much the better, right?
Agreed. Yeah.
Drones are used to safely and efficiently verify quantities at rock pits, assess mudslides for unseen hazards, inspect levees, and more. Pilots are FAA certified and fly a DJI Phantom 4. They use special software to create images, video, and 3D models to help them with their work. Pilots use the drone for specific activities in a limited area. They make every effort to avoid flying or capturing footage over private property. For more information about Planning and Public Works drone program, visit piercecountywa.org/drones.